Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automatically remove silences in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let's jump right in. First, start by going to Edit tab. At the top of the screen, click on the Media pool. Right-click your audio file, then scroll down to Audio Transcription and select Transcribe. Note that this feature is only available to DaVinci Resolve Studio. Then on the transcription screen, you'll notice three dots surrounded by brackets indicating silent parts. Click the three dots and select the Remove Silent portion. To add updated text to your timeline, highlight all the transcribed text. Then click this icon here. And that's it. Your audio should now be cleaner with all the silent parts removed. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.